I moved from Jamaica with 100 US dollars.
That's awesome.
And I worked my butt off.
Damn right. Since they sent the repo out for him, his account should be closed. Hey, do you have a key with it? Make it easier when I get
You know what? I think it's inside.
inside there? Perfect. Thank you so much, man. I don't know what we're about to get into, or what we're about to do, but we're gearing up and we're getting ready to go hit this whole freaking map. I do have a volley I gotta pick up, but that's not included on this one right now. We got numbers we gotta hit, quotas we gotta meet, incentives.